Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to post a GIF on your Instagram story. So before we begin, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Okay, so to post a GIF on your Instagram story, you want to first go ahead and open up your App Store. Here, you want to go ahead and search for Gboard. So this is how it looks like. This is the Google keyboard. So go ahead and download this app. Once that's been installed, you want to go back to your Instagram app, open up the story mode. Now to post a GIF on this Instagram story, go ahead and select the text icon at the top. From here, you want to go ahead and select the globe icon. From here, you want to go ahead and select Gboard. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the emoji icon, long press on it, select GIF. And now here you'll be able to see all the GIFs which are available to you. You can do a search or you can browse through these GIFs and select the one you like. To select it, go ahead and tap on it. It'll say copied. Now to paste that GIF on your screen, go ahead and long press in the middle of the screen, then tap on paste. This will now paste the GIF on your story. Go ahead and resize it and place it wherever you like. And now once you're happy with that, go ahead and post that story to your Instagram app. And there you go, that is how to post a GIF on your Instagram story. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.